Jai Hind Cadets. I am Cadet Anurag Shukla of 1 UP Naval Unit from ECC Prayagraj. Today we are starting our new topic, which is boat work and their parts. So as always, starting with the introduction of the topic. Parts of boat or boat work. Boat work includes knowledge and operation of different types of boat, launching procedures, recovery of boats in normal and heavy weather conditions, how to beach a boat if possible, the use of oars or sails, as well as basic sail theory, sail terminology, and markings of boat. Now, coming to parts of whaler. Whaler is a type of boat used by naval cadets. And here we have the image of a BK whaler boat which is 27 feet long. And now here we have some parts of DK whaler boat like apron, backboard, badge block, benches, bilge, bilge rails, bottom board, bow, canopy, capping, drop wheel, cleats, crutches, deck eyes, floats, and many more. Here you can see all those parts which is marked on this image. Now coming to parts of oars, which are grip. Grip is a part of oar from where you hold an oar, then blade. By the help of you sail the boat using thrust of water. And as you can see, the area of a blade is much larger than the throat or grip. So, ending today's lecture, we will continue with the same topic in the next video, and we'll also know about boat pulling instructions, and I will also explain the parts of boat. Jai Hind.